Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hasan. I am a second semester student MPI at STIT Alisan. In this video, I will present my final test analysis of the reading text entitled Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom, a Multimodal Shift. First, I will read the text completely. Second, I will explain the grammar analysis from part A until part F. Third, I will present the Indonesian translation. Let's begin. Part 1. Reading text. Transforming Islamic Elementary Classroom, a Multimodal Shift. Because early childhood development require multisensory engagement, pedagogical method developed by PGMI scholars are deemed more interactive than traditional lecture styles. This dynamic shift, which unifies spiritual habits and digital phonics, demand continuous instructional upgrades from classroom practitioners. Although resource constraints persist in rural madrasah, this comprehensive approach succeeds by cultivating moral behavior, engaging your learners, and fostering analytical thought. Consequently, classroom harmony will be permanently sustained if routines are carefully modeled by educators. Because linguistic literally accelerated early, the highest fluency milestone recorded this semester must be celebrated by instructors utilizing multisensory kits. Part 2. Advanced Cumulative Grammar Analysis. A. Sentence pattern, subject and predicate. The first sentence is pedagogical methods are deemed more interactive than traditional lecture styles. Subject, pedagogical method, verb are deemed. B. Adverb clause. Adverb clause 1. Because early childhood development require multisensory engagement. Its logical relationship because it explains why pedagogical methods are more interactive. Adverb clause 2. Although resource contains persist in rural madrasah. Its logical relationship because it shows an opposite situation. C. Passive voice. Passive verb 1 are deemed. Passive verb 2 must be celebrated. D. Modal and conditional. The sentence is classroom harmony will be permanently sustained if routines are carefully modeled by educator. Modal phrase will be permanently sustained. Conditional clause. If routines are carefully modeled by educator. E. Comparative and superlative. Comparative modifier more interactive than its compare pedagogical method with traditional lecture styles. Superlative modifier. The highest its rank the fluency milestone as the highest achievement recorded this semester. If reduced participle. Reduced participle 1 developed by PGMI scholar. Type passive reduce. Full form, which were developed by PGMI scholar. Reduce participle 2. Utilizing multisensory kits. Type active reduce participle. Perform. Who are utilizing multisensory kits? Part 3. Indonesian Translation. Berikut terjemahan dalam bahasa Indonesia. Karena perkembangan anak usia dini ini memerlukan keterlibatan multisensori. Metode pembelajaran yang dikembangkan oleh para akademisi PKMI dianggap lebih interaktif dibandingkan metode ceramah tradisional. Perubahan yang dinamis ini yang memadukan pembiasaan spiritual dan pembelajaran fonik digital menuntut peningkatan kemampuan mengajar secara berkelanjutan dari para guru di kelas. Walaupun keterbatasan sumber daya masih terjadi di madrasah pedesaan, pendekatan yang komprehensif ini berhasil melalui pembentukan perilaku yang bermoral, melibatkan peserta didik usia dini secara aktif, dan mengembangkan kemampuan berpikir analitis. Oleh karena itu, keharmonisan kelas akan terus terjaga apabila rutinitas pembelajaran diterapkan dan dicontohkan dengan baik oleh para pendidik. Karena kemampuan literasi berbahasa berkembang sejak dini. Pencapaian tingkat kefasihan tertinggi yang dicatat pada semester ini harus dirayakan oleh para guru yang menggunakan perangkat pembelajaran multisensori. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.